What's up, guys? Today I have another unboxing. So I've already opened the package just because they don't have to go through that with me. There's some blues and accessories and stuff. That's what this video is about. A business card and a receipt. Nice. If you're wondering about this new matte backdrop thing, I unboxed this in a video that I decided to scrap. So yeah, it's just a new thing. So let's see, I got me some more Gan Magic Lube. I ran out of this yesterday, so it's like perfect timing. I also ran out of this a couple of days ago, so that's pretty good. Some logo stands, some cube stands. And then logos. I guess that's what made me mess up. Logos. Cool. Here's the real star of the show, the cube. So, this is the black Kirin V2. Ooh, that looks nice. So, I never had the V1. But, it's basically, the V1 was supposed to be, here's a little magic. It was supposed to be basically a cheaper version of the YuXin Little Magic, which, if you don't know, is YuXin's budget, basically like budget cube, which is it's one of the best budget cubes, if not the best. This might take its spot, actually. Okay, I guess time for first turns. Whoa! This reminds me of something. What is it? This reminds me, It feels really nice. It doesn't feel at all like the Little Magic. It doesn't sound like it either. This is really high-pitched, really low-pitched and quiet. It's really nice, though. Corner cutting. Okay, that could be prone to the transparent plastic because it is very grippy, like friction-y. But also, it is not lubed, or it's not lubed or tensioned. But it, the transparent looks really cool. Let's see this piece. I want to see if it's anything. Ooh, it actually is kind of tight. It's hard to get a piece out. Of course, I have my Little Magic really loose, so it's easy to get pieces out. I want to see how it compares to the Little Magic pieces. Man. Okay, yep, that happened. Okay, cool. So, it's a bit different. Yeah, it's a bit different. So, corners looks like it goes, it goes upward into a thinner stock, and then this just has a thin stock, but not as thin as that one is. And the Little Magic has ridges, grooves along it. The corner has no grooves. And then the torpedo, or whatever this is called, is thicker, bigger. And as for, they actually look kind of alike, but I mean, this is a one-piece design? This is a one-piece design, and these are caps. That's interesting. So this is a one-piece design with caps, and this is a three-piece design with this thing being able to come out. Oh no. I'll push that aside, but I was expecting it to be kind of like the piece design and feel of the Little Magic, but it is nothing like that. Because I know the V1 was very similar to the Little Magic. I was expecting something like the Little Magic, but it doesn't feel anything like that. I don't have any other of YuXin's 3x3s. So I can't really compare it to anything else besides the Little Magic. But it feels really nice. Of course, I can just drop some really quick if I can get to it. Some really quick nebula in here. That's all I have near me right now. See what it does. It's not going to do anything on corner cutting because there's no core lube, but it should do something to the turning. It is a little bit sandy, but not as sandy as the little magic was out of the box. Okay, so that feels way smoother. It was already smooth, but of course piece lube isn't really going to help corner cutting, like I said. It corner cuts about as good as, well, okay guys, that's been this video. As always, like and subscribe if you enjoyed, and I'll see you next time.